Ene ngari cia ukuui wa muingi riu mena kieha kiingima kuumana na uteti uria ukoretwo gitwarithio na mbere, makiuga riu ni utwaririirie biacara ciao gukorwo iri hathara-ini nene. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro muikariri gite wa ngwataniro ya Eene Matatu guku bururi-ini Simon Kimutai oigite kigina kiria kiumanaga na ruhonge ruru riu githiete ona mbere gikunderete na kuria riu gikinyeirie gacunji ka mirongo mugwanja hari igana.
We are seeing that losing 25% of revenue trickles down and it affects the economy so bad there is no money going round. Everybody is holding to what they have because of uncertainties.
Kimutai augite aingi aria marutaga biacara eno riu marahinyiririo kuiga ngari ciao micii kuona namba nene ya ahuri biacara aria mamaheaga mawira matikoretwo magiuka guku mucii wa Nairobi niguo kuonjorithia.
People spend minimal on transport. When they go to shops, they spend more. I'm going to buy a shirt. How much does a shirt cost? 1,000 shillings. How much do you have a ride in my vehicle? 50 bob. Compare that. So we know it trickles. It actually, the impact mostly is in the business community, in the CBD or whatever place that they would have their customers be.
Gukiri uguo ne ugite utonga wa bururi uri kigera-ini kihiu gia gukorwo githinekana kungikinya mitaratara ya kurehe kihonia kia naihenya ndigukorwo ikigathikwo na niguo kuhorohia ndũgamano ici. Akiuga to ruhonge ruru ruhutetio ende ne nginya wonjoria wa matuka manene undu umwe na mabengi.
All other businesses are suffering because of the fear that has been instilled in people and the rhetorics by political players, and we want to tell Kenyans, let's stand as a country.
Riera riria rikoretwo kuo ria kiuteti muno makiria kuma kiumia kihituku riria igoti tugiru riateaniria maumirira ma giturwa kia president ni ritumite bururi ukorwo kiurwo ni makiria ma ciringi bilioni igana rimwe ria mirongo itatu kurumirira kuhauka gwa thogora ya shares thoko-ini ya NSC. Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, Wonjoria.